the rise of artificial intelligence has sparked both excitement and apprehension across many industries. In the realm of content creation, a significant question looms large. Many wonder if AI's ability to generate text signals the end of human writers. This concern is understandable given the rapid advancements we've witnessed. However, a deeper look reveals a more nuanced reality. We need to explore what AI truly offers and where human creativity remains indispensable. AI-powered content creation involves using algorithms and machine learning models to produce various forms of text. This can range from articles and summaries to marketing copy and even creative narratives. These systems are trained on vast data sets of existing text. They learn patterns, grammar, and style to generate new content based on prompts. This technology aims to automate routine writing tasks and assist in brainstorming. It can significantly speed up the initial stages of content production. AI tools are incredibly efficient at generating large volumes of text quickly. They can produce multiple variations of a headline or product description in seconds. This speed is invaluable for tasks requiring high output. AI is also adept at processing and summarizing vast amounts of information. It can extract key points from lengthy documents or research papers. This capability makes it a powerful tool for initial research and drafting. Furthermore, AI can handle repetitive and formulaic writing tasks with ease. Generating standard reports, basic product descriptions, or simple news updates are areas where AI demonstrates strong performance. It ensures consistency and frees up human time. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI has significant limitations. It lacks genuine understanding, empathy, and the ability to experience the world. AI cannot truly comprehend nuance, irony, or the subtle complexities of human emotion. Originality and true creativity remain largely beyond AI's grasp. It generates content based on patterns it has learned, meaning it can mimic existing styles, but struggles to innovate or produce truly novel ideas. AI cannot craft a unique voice or perspective. Critical thinking and ethical reasoning are also areas where AI falls short. It cannot discern truth from falsehood or make moral judgments. Human oversight is crucial to ensure accuracy, fairness, and responsible content creation. Human writers bring a unique blend of creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence to their work. They understand audience psychology, cultural contexts, and the power of storytelling. These elements are vital for compelling content. Writers infuse their work with personal experiences, unique perspectives, and a distinct voice. They can connect with readers on a deeper level, building trust and fostering engagement. This human touch is irreplaceable. Moreover, human writers are strategic thinkers. They can develop content strategies, identify target audiences, and adapt their writing to achieve specific business or educational objectives. AI can assist, but it cannot lead this strategic process. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, it's more accurate to see it as a powerful tool. AI can automate mundane tasks, allowing writers to focus on higher-level creative and strategic work. It can be a valuable assistant. Writers can leverage AI for brainstorming ideas, generating outlines, or drafting initial versions of content. They can then refine, personalize, and elevate the AI-generated text with their unique insights and expertise. This collaboration enhances productivity. AI can also help with grammar checks, style suggestions, and content optimization for search engines. It streamlines the writing process, making it more efficient and effective. The human writer remains the editor, the curator, and the ultimate authority. The landscape of content creation is undoubtedly changing, but this evolution presents new opportunities for writers. Those who embrace AI and learn to integrate it into their workflow will gain a significant advantage. It's about skill adaptation. Writers will increasingly become content strategists, editors, and prompt engineers. Their role will shift from pure content generation to guiding AI, refining its output, and ensuring the final product resonates with human audiences. This requires new competencies, the demand for human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will only grow. As AI handles the routine, the value of truly original, insightful, and impactful human-generated content will become even more pronounced. So, is AI-powered content creation the end of writers? The answer is a resounding no. It is not an end, but rather a transformation. AI is redefining the role of the writer, shifting the focus from mere text production to strategic thinking, creative direction, and human connection. Writers who adapt, learn, and leverage AI as a collaborative tool will thrive in this evolving environment. The future of content creation is not about machines replacing humans, but about humans and machines working together to create more impactful and meaningful content.